Hi, in this short video I'm going to show you how Scratch is more than just a coding platform. It's also an online community where children and young people can share and create ideas together. Now, like any online community, as a parent, one of the first things you'll want to do is to check that it's an appropriate and safe space for your child. And you can do this by going to the Scratch homepage, scratch.mit.edu, and then clicking on this button here which says For Parents. And this is a parents page which the Scratch team have written. It explains things like what is Scratch and how do children learn using Scratch. There are also some community guidelines, and it's a good idea to read these through with your child before they start to use Scratch online. Further down the page, there's some additional information about how the Scratch team moderate the site and use filters to help keep the space safe for everybody. So, back to the home page. If you decide that Scratch is an appropriate space for your child to use, you can use this link here so that they can join Scratch, set up a username and a password. If you decide that you'd prefer them not to use Scratch online, there's also an offline version of Scratch which you can download. So for now, I'm going to sign in using my username and password here. And I will just pop in my password and I'll sign into my account. And you'll see that the first thing that happens is that the home page changes then. It shows some other projects that people have made and some news. It gives me some things to go and have a look at. For now, what I'm going to go and find is one particular project. And I'm going to look for a project that has been created by my daughter, so I'm just going to pop her username into the search bar here. There we go. So I can just click on this project now, and that will take me on to the project page. So with the project, there are different things that you can do as part of a community. You can like the project to show that you like it. You can star it, which is favoriting it, a bit like a bookmark. And then over here, let me just move this up so that you can see. You can also copy a link to the project so you can share it with other people. Or if you feel that there's something inappropriate contained in the project, you can click on this button to report that. If I scroll down a little bit further, you'll also see that other users can leave comments on the project. And people can also remix the project. Remixing is one of the Scratch's really powerful features. It means that you can take a version of the project as a copy and then make changes to it without affecting the original. So this project itself was remixed from a starter project, which you can see at the top here, and then other people have gone on to remix it again and make modifications and changes to it as well. And it's a really good way of sharing ideas about code with each other. It's really easy to remix a project just by clicking on the remix button here. One of the other exciting things that you can see about any project is how many people have viewed it, and that's this total down here. So this project's been viewed by 403 different people, which is pretty cool. So I'm going to go back to the home page now. And hopefully that has shown you just how great the community is in Scratch, just as an overview, and how much children and young people can write projects using Scratch and then share them with one another, add comments, give feedback, and just generally create things together in a fun and exciting way.